Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are going to study class 7's maths, chapter number 8, exercise 8b, and our topic is algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are the expressions consisting of variables, constants, and algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division that we have already discussed in detail. Today we will study question number 8 of exercise 8b. So now we are starting question number 8, that is simplify following algebraic expressions. First question is 3x divided by x. So this x will be cancelled from this x. We will get only with 3. This is answer. In second question, 8a square divided by minus 2a. Expand this algebraic expression. 8a square, we can write a into a divided by minus 2a. This a will be cancelled by this a, and 2 4s are 8. So we are left with 4a and with this minus sign. So your answer is minus 4a. In part 3, 3c cube d cube divided by cd. Expand this algebraic expression. 3c cube means 3 times c. C. Similarly, d cube means 3 times d and d divided by cd. Now here this d will be cancelled from this d and c will be cancelled from c. Now we are left with 3. 2 times this c, that will be c square, and 2 times d, that will be d square. So this is answer. Now see fourth part, 5x square y square divided by 10xy. Now expand this expression 5. You can write x square as x into x and y square as y into y. Divided by, you can write 10 as 5 into 2. This is 5 multiplied by 2. This dot is representing multiplication here. 5 into 2 and xy. Now this y will be cancelled from this y. X will be cancelled from one this x, and 5 will be cancelled from this 5. Now we are left with x, y and 2. So our answer is half x, y. So question number 8 is completed. Now we start question number 9, that is simplify these expressions. First expression is 9x minus 6y divided by 3. So 9x minus 6y, you can write this division as in the form of fraction. So we have write these expressions in the form of fractions. Now take common factor of 9x and 6y. Common factor of these two expressions is 3. So take 3 common. We are left with 3 3s are 9. So here will be 3x minus 3 2s are 6. So there will be minus 2y divided by this 3 will be as it is here. Now this 3 will be cancelled by this 3. So we are left with 3x minus 2y. That is required answer. Now in second part, 6c minus 18 divided by 6. Write this division as fractional form. 6c minus 18 divided by 6. Take common factor of these terms. Common factor of 6 and 18 is 6. So take common 6 and there will be just c because we have taken common 6, and from 18 we have taken common 6. So we are left with 3. 6 3s are 18. Now this 6 will be cancelled by this 6 and we are left with c minus 3. That is required answer. Now see part 3. 4a cube minus 10a square plus 6a divided by 2a. Write this expression of division in the form of fraction. This will be numerator and this will become denominator. Now take common factor of all these expressions. A is common in this complete expression because a is also here in this term and also in this term. A is common. Now take common factor of 4, 10 and 6. Common factor of 4, 10 and 6 is just 2. So we take common 2a. Now when we take common 2a from this expression 4a cube, we will left with 2 2 2s are 4, and from a cube we have taken 1a common, so we are left with a square. Similarly, from minus 10 we are taken common 2, we are left with 5. 2 5s are 10, and from a square 1a we have taken common, so we are left with just a. And from 6a, a is taken common, 2 3s are 6, just we are left with this 3. Now cancel these two terms, so the remaining expression is answer 2a square minus 5a plus 3. Now start question number 10. Divide first term by second term. Two terms are given in each question and we have to divide first term by second term. In first question we are given 64abxy and second term is 4abx. So divide this first term by this second term. So we have written it as numerator and this as denominator. Now we have to cancel the similar terms. This x will be cancelled by this x, b will be cancelled by this b, and a will also be cancelled by this a, and 64 divided by 4 is 16, and we are left now 16 and just this only y. So this is answer. In second part, minus 20ab b square c 5abc. Write this in fraction form. Minus 20a b square is equal to b into b, and this c will be as it is, and you have to divide by this, so we will write it in the denominator 5abc. Now we cancel similar terms. C will be cancelled by this c, b will be cancelled by this b, and a will be cancelled by this a, and 5 4s are 20. So we are left with this 4 and just this b with minus sign. So this is answer, minus 4b. Now see third part, a4b cube and second term is minus a square b. Write these two terms in fractional form. We will write first term as numerator and second as denominator. Now expand this term. A4 mean 4 times a, so we have written 4 times a. B cube mean 3 times b, so write it 3 times, divided by minus a square 2 times a and b. Now cancel similar terms. B will be cancelled, a will be cancelled, and this numerator denominator when have similar terms, these will be cancelled. Now we are left with this a and this a, that is a square, and 2 times b, that will become b square with this minus sign. Okay, fourth part of this question, 4ab square c cube and second term is minus 2abc. Write these two terms in the fractional form. Write first term as numerator and second term as denominator. Now expand these expressions. 4a b square mean 2 times b and c cube mean 3 times c, divided by minus 2abc. Now in numerator denominator similar terms will be cancelled. C will be cancelled and 1b will be cancelled, and this a will also be cancelled, and 2 2s are 4. So we are left with 2 b c and c, that is c square, 2b c square with minus sign. Now last part of this question, 3x square y minus 2xy square, and second expression is xy. So we will write this first expression as numerator and second expression as denominator. Now take common factor of this numerator. Common factor is x and y. So take common xy from these two terms. When we take xy common from this term, we are left with 3 and just only 1 x, because 1x and 1y is taken here common, minus from here minus 2, and from x is taken common, and y square 1y is also taken common, so we are left with only 1y. So 3x minus 2y. Now this xy will be cancelled by this xy and we are left with 3x minus 2y, that is required answer. Now we are starting question number 11, that is simplify this following expression. The expression given is that a square minus ab plus b square ba square divided by b square a, divided by a plus b square minus bc plus bc square divided by b plus c square minus ca plus ca square divided by c. Now take common factor of this expression. A is common, so we have taken a common. We will left with a, from here b, and from here b square, because a is taken common, divided by a. From this expression take common factor. Here b is common. B is in this expression, is also available in this expression, and is also in this term. So take common b. When we are taking common b, we are left here with just only 1b, because 1b is taken common, and from here only 1b was here, that was taken common, so we are left with c. And similarly here we are left with c square divided by b, plus take common from here c square minus ca plus ca square. So take common. In this expression c is common, so take common c. We are left with here 1c minus a plus a square divided by c. Now in numerator denominator similar terms will be cancelled out. This a will be cancelled by this a, b will be cancelled by this b, c will be cancelled by this c. So we are left with a minus b plus b square, b minus c plus c square, b minus c plus c square, plus c minus a plus a square. Now we will cancel the similar terms with opposite signs. This is positive a and this is negative a. This will be cancelled out. This is negative b, this is positive b. This will be cancelled. This is negative c and this is positive c. So this will be cancelled. Now we are left with this a square, this b square, and this c square. These three terms are left in our answer. Now see last part of this question and last question of this exercise. A square minus 2ab plus 3ab square divided by a plus b square minus 4bc plus 5b square divided by b plus 5c square minus ac divided by c. Now take common factor of this. A square minus 2ab and 3ab square. A is common. A is also in this expression, and in this expression. So take a common. We are left with a minus 2b plus 3b square divided by a after taking common a, plus from this expression b is common, so take b common. Now after taking common b from this expression, we are left with here just b minus 4c plus 5c square. 1b will be eliminated here, plus from this expression c is common, so take 1c common. Now taking after common, we are left with here just 5c minus a divided by c. Now in numerator denominator similar terms will be cancelled. C will be cancelled, these b will be cancelled, and a will be cancelled. Now we are left with this expression a minus 2b plus 3b square plus b minus 4c plus 5c square plus 5c minus a. Now if similar terms are here with opposite signs, these will be cancelled, as this a will be cancelled by minus a. And now add similar terms. This is minus 2b and this is plus b. Minus 2b plus b will be minus b, and this is minus 4c and this is plus 5c. 5 minus 4 is 1, so this is 1c. And now the terms are left 3b square and 5c square will be as it is, 3b square and 5b square. So minus b plus c plus 3b square plus 5c square is the required answer of this question. So our exercise has been completed. 8b.